What's up, guys? Check this out. So today I went to Walmart. I checked the coin store and the vending machines. There was nothing there, but outside in the parking lot, when it was windy, look at what I found. I found money. It's $100. No freaking way. And it's counterfeit too. Look, copy money, and it's 2013 series. Wow. MK09390413A. Copy money. That's Benjamin Franklin for motion picture purposes only. United States America, $100. This note is for motion pictures purposes. It is not legal tendered money. Wow, $100. And look, the 3 and the A is missing. MK09390441, $100. Wow. And on the back they put copy money and it's fake. $100. The United States America in God we trust. $100. Independence Hall and $100. Well, that's a pretty awesome score of today. Been finding a lot of counterfeit money. Wow. Been finding counterfeit money for the past 2 years now. That's awesome. I'll take it all day long. It was windy outside though. That's awesome. I found it $100 on a windy day. Look at that. I'll take it all day long, guys. That's awesome. Well, hope you guys enjoyed.